Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject Money and Banking class 12 chapter 2nd and its part 4th. In this video we will study about the third point of working process of bank and fourth point. The third point is deposit, and we know that how bank deposit money from outsider from public. They Bank open various account, saving account, fixed account, current account and recurring deposit account. This point I have already taught in chapter first, and in this video we will only differentiate between the current, fixed and saving deposit account. The first point is period. Period in current account, no period of deposit. We know that in current account we can withdraw and we can withdraw and deposited more than 1 and 2 within a day. In fixed account, deposit accepted fixed period. We deposit some amount for a fixed period, that is 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, as you can deposit their amount. Third, saving bank account, no period of deposit. Similarly, as a current year, we can withdraw and we can money from deposit money to account to bank. Second, withdrawal of money. Any number of time in a day, money can be withdrawn. We can easily withdraw within a 1 or 2 day, within a 1 times 2 times, with in 2 and 3 times within a day. We can money easily withdraw from current account. Money cannot be drawn before the fixed period. In fixed account, we can not withdraw money from fixed account after completing the maturity period, that is a fixed period 1 2 3 5, anything that is determined by you. Before this completing period, you cannot withdraw the amount from bank. Money can be withdrawn 2 times in a week. In saving account, we can withdraw money 2 times in a week. Rate of interest, no rate of interest is payable. A bank are not in current account, interest are not payable by the bank for depositing for depositing amount. Around 8% interest rate is fixed. The in fixed account, bank gives some interest on the fixed amount, and after completing the maturity period, you can easily withdraw with amount with interest. At present, in saving account, at present in interest paid able is 3.5%. In saving account, bank give some interest. The rate of interest as compared to fixed deposit is less, and bank give interest on the fixed on saving account. Of importance, it is important for businessmen and industries. Saving account are open only for a businessman and industrialist. It is useful for those who have got more money. If any person want to deposit their amount, he have some extra amount. He have some amount who cannot keep in my house, in their house, then they can easily deposit it for fixed period into the fixed deposit account. It is useful for low income people. Low income people who have a very limited amount, you can easily deposit it and withdraw as you required. Object, it gives facilities to businessmen. We know that the current account only for a businessman, business industries, and this facilities main object is that to provide facilities, to provide help only for businessmen and industries. Second point, fixed deposit account to provide more interest to people. It provide more interest to people as compared if people can deposit their amount in saving account, but he cannot do that. He deposit their amount in fixed account before because he can get more interest rate as compared to saving account. To remove the habit of extravagance. Saving account, the importance of saving account is that saving account people in saving account people develop habit to deposit their money into bank, and it remove the habit of extravagance. Some people expense a lots of money with their personal need with anything, so this create a habit to save this money and deposited it into the saving bank account. To obtain loan, customer can take the overdraft from bank. Overdraft facilities only available on current account. In current account, loan can be obtained on fixed deposit. In fixed deposit account, we can obtain loan on fixed deposit account. And saving account, no loan can be taken. Person cannot be take any loan from any loan in saving bank account. Facilities of payment facilities through check. Check is very helpful for payment of anything, and current account provide check to businessman. No payment facilities through check. The no payment facilities if any person withdraw their amount from fixed deposit account, then he can transfer from one account to another account. There is no need of check. Payment facilities through check if minimum balance of fixed account is maintained. You have to in saving account bank account you have to deposit minimum account that is 1000 should be necessary in saving account, and after that you can easily if payment through the check, payment facilities through the check is available in saving account. Receipt book, on opening of account 3 books are provided. Any person open current account, they are given bank provide 3 books. First is cash book, check book and pay slip. In fixed account, receipt only deposit receipt is provided. Bank give a receipt, that is a deposited receipt. This is a proof you deposit their amount, and the amount in number 1 lakh 2 lakh into the fixed deposit account. Passbook and check are provided. Saving account passbook and check are provided to public, to saving holder. Age of the account holder. Only major person and institution can open the account. In current account, any minors are not allowed to open current account. They can only open major person and institute. Account can be opened in the name of minor. In fixed account are easily opened in the name of minor if any person are minor who want to deposit their amount for fixed period, then they can do this in fixed deposit account. Account can be opened in the name of minor under the guardianship of major. We know that mostly students go to bank and open only a saving bank account. Because his age is below the 18 years, the guardian are also allowed, are responsible for this type of account. Minor can open this account, but he have he have to take some he have to take support from guardian. A bank only open saving saving bank only saving account only open account to minor person on the basis of guardian of major should be available. Fourth point is loan. We also know that loan play a very important role and sources for bank. Bank create profit through loan. Loan are the loan are the other important source of the working capital of bank. Besides deposit, the banks are also take direct loan. Here it should be remembered that deposits are obtained by bank from public, firm and other organization. Direct loan are obtained by them from the central bank, commercial bank and finance corporation. We know very well about loan, and bank play a very important role for providing for providing loan to public. Bank accept deposit from individual and companies and any institutions. Bank deposit individual companies and institutions, they deposit amount in bank, and bank also give loan to individual companies and institutions. Sometimes bank have no amount to give loan to this person, individual companies and institutions. Then bank take loan from central bank, financial corporation, institution, financial cooperations who provide loan to, and some commercial bank. Commercial bank accept deposit from this, and bank take loan from central bank, financial corporation and commercial bank loan. And if any person have need to withdraw amount from bank or take loan from bank, then bank have not a unlimited reserve. Every bank have some limited reserve. In that sense, bank give loan from this and provide loan to individual companies and institution. Through this, the rate of taken loan of bank, central bank, commercial, financial corporation and commercial bank are less interest, and they give loan to this, they take high interest. Through this, bank earn profit and increase their resources. I hope you can understand very well about this point. Thank you.